Hey, it's James. I just thought I'd share some more of my Star Trek collectibles. This is another phaser I'd got when it came out. Um, it's a good phaser and everything. I just don't think it's as sturdy and as well made as the first release of the Diamond Select phaser, classic phaser. Is this one? It's just so much better, I think, and so much better made. Very, very sturdy. It's a really, really good phaser. There is the door chime. I love that because it just screams classic Star Trek. And we got a Tribble. That's a Loot Crate exclusive Tribble there. Pretty cool stuff. I'm a phaser nut, phaser and communicator nut. I just love them. I love the Type 1, Type 2 communicators, all of them. They're so cool. I want to get another one of these door chimes and install it and everything. I appreciate you watching. If you subscribe, I'll subscribe right back.